Hi there. Welcome to Cine Culture with TJ Seaman, where everything we do is for the culture of filmmaking and cinematography. Today, I'll be talking about blocking in film. So with that out of the way, let's do this. It may not sound exciting to watch two people having a conversation, but you do it all the time, since that's ultimately what every movie and TV show is about. Conversations can be captivating on screen when filmmakers take blocking into account. Blocking a scene involves placing the actors in specific points in view within the frame and taking note of the three visual components at play: space, shapes, and lines. With consideration for these features, directors can craft a powerful display of emotion between their characters that reveals hidden meaning. Let's talk about space. This scene begins with a woman clearing her desk. The camera opens to reveal two men walking in from a dark background. Their behavior is clearly distinguished. The men with a dark background revealing bad intentions, and the woman with a well-lit background revealing good intentions. They are standing on opposite sides of the frame, far apart. The way the visual contrast is created in the space conveys tension and importance. And clearly in this scene, the side of the men looks and feels stronger than the side of the woman. Please note that this is not just because she is a woman, but because of the way the scene is blocked. Also, look at this frame. Obviously, the father is bigger than the mother in the frame, and the mother is way bigger than the girl in the frame. This tells us that in terms of opinion, the least regarded is the girls. So being able to use space to convey messages through blocking is a source that directors must have for great films. By the way, both of these films were produced by my students for their end of training projects. Next up is shapes. Circles, squares, and triangles are the three basic shapes. Everything around us can be transformed into one of these basic shapes. Even an actor's face can be transformed into a circle, triangle, or a square. There are certain emotional qualities and assumptions associated with the basic shapes. A circle feels safer and inclusive. Squares create a boxing effect of limited space. Triangles are sharp. They feel aggressive, but they also have an apex. Let's look at some scenes. The women seated in this circle give a non-intrusive feel. It feels safe and inclusive, while this triangle feels aggressive and confrontational. And if you draw the lines, you can see the dominant figure here, or the apex. The square already feels like a box. And if I play the video, the blocking communicates it further. We've covered shapes, and shapes are formed by lines. Always pay attention to the lines created in every shot and how they affect the viewer. We call these leading lines. I've spoken about it in a video before. So we've discussed how shapes, lines, and space can be used to block a scene. The thing is, on their own, they won't make those dialogue scenes that profound unless you do it with subtext or contrast in mind. You can create an underlying meaning by contrasting your blocking with what's being said or done. With blocking, you can begin to reveal the real story, and it's not just for viewers. Through blocking, you can help your actors, your director of photography, and your art director to see your vision. A story's blocking is crucial because it tells us what the characters are really up to, what they mean, and what's really going on. A storyboard is the best way to plan your blocking. With storyboarding software, you can incorporate what the characters are saying in the script into your blocking. And when next you're in a real life conversation, pay attention to how you stand, sit, move, or lie down. You might just be surprised. And that's it, folks. Don't hesitate to send in questions in the comments section, and I will surely answer them. Also, subscribe, like, and follow for more filmmaking secrets and equipment giveaways. But more importantly, don't forget to keep making films. That's the source to getting better. See you in the next video.